Hi, I'm Elsie and I'm a data analyst. I'll be taking you through this course on data visualization. Data analysts must be able to visualize his or her findings in a visual form so that the stakeholders involved will be able to understand what he or she is trying to say. Hence, data visualization is a very important aspect of data analysis. In this course, I'll be taking you through all you need to know to become a very competent data analyst using visualizing tools such as PowerBI and Tableau. In this course that combines PowerBI and Tableau, for Tableau you'll be learning why you need to use Tableau for your visualization. You'll be learning how to install Tableau. I will introduce you to Tableau interface and I will teach you on the different types of charts and their uses and when to use them. You will also learn how to use the mark button on Tableau. You also learn how to use the filter button. You also learn how to answer real life data questions and get insights from this data. You also learn how to group and edit fields on a given data. You also learn how to use the map for visualization. You learn how to create dashboards in Tableau. You also learn how to link charts on a dashboard. After that, you learn how to create a story. Your story, you need to create a story. Storytelling is the form part of dashboard creation. So you learn how to create a story. You also learn how to present your data using Tableau. After you are done with your visualization, you have to present it. In this course you will learn how to do that using Tableau, and after that you will learn how to save your work using Tableau public. That is that for Tableau. For Power BI, you'll be learning how to use you'll be learning the general interface of Power BI. You will also learn how to use the Power Query, and also learn how to visualize data set 1. We learn in Power BI, we used 3 different data sets where we answered questions on them and got insights. So for this, you will also be learning how to sort data and edit charts. You will be learning how to use the slicer tool and everything you need to know about the slicer tool, how it helps you to visualize data properly. Also, you'll be learning how to use Power BI summarize feature. Power BI has a powerful and wonderful summarize feature that helps you summarize your visualization at a glance. You'll be learning how to do that. Also, you'll be learning how to use the snip tool, and also you learn how to save your workbook on Power BI. So that is that on what you'll be learning for this course. The requirements you need, all the things you need for this course are just your laptop, your connection to an internet source, and your willingness to learn. When you enroll for this course, you'll be added to a WhatsApp group where you'll be mentored for free, and you can ask any questions that bothers you concerning the course which you are taking. Secondly, you will have access to projects which after you complete them, you'll be given a certificate of completion. Also, you will have access to the software you'll be working with, which is Microsoft Power BI and Tableau, and how to download and install them in your system. So, see you in class.